Hello, this is Mark. Here's number 2 reason that we're talking about that. Move to Ohio, stay in Ohio, come to visit on vacation in Ohio, or if you're in Ohio, visit in Ohio. Neil Armstrong Air and Space Museum. Neil Armstrong was obviously in the military. He was the first person to step on the moon. Great historic feature and helped fulfill President John F. Kennedy's goal and mission that we would one day land a man on the moon and return them safely. And Neil was certainly from Ohio, and he helped fulfill that dream. They're at 500 Apollo Drive in Wapakoneta, which is up the street a little ways from Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, the Air Force Museum. And I'm going to say it's not just a few miles. It's probably, half hour. It's a little ways up. Telephone number is 419-738-8811. Just so that you know, give them a call. They are closed on Mondays and Tuesdays. Otherwise, they're open 10 to 4 every day, Wednesday through Sunday. It's a great place to be and to see history, to see Neil Armstrong when he had his career in space, and to be able to see some of the artifacts that was on the moon, came back from the moon, that Neil carried with him back and forth. He was a humble person, and after he retired, moved to a farm, I believe down towards Cincinnati, and was not a one to go out and brag about what he did and to do speaking and say how great I am. He was just a humble guy, did what his country asked him to do, and then he went back to being Neil Armstrong, and family man. So it was pretty great. Come live in Ohio. We've got great things to see, great things to do. This is one of them. This is history. If you're in Ohio, it's a great place to visit. If you're not in Ohio, it's a great place to come for a vacation and have a great time, learn about history, and see what the space industry has done for us in science and computers and medicine. Have a great day.